Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. Just playing around. Wanted to show you guys what's on the creative studio table. I'm thinking about some things here. We did some of these as earrings, but I'm looking at these for keychains right now. And not sure what to do with a lot of these, but yeah, playing around with some rhinestone possibilities. We shall see. The mojo is still here, and yeah, listening to some music and chillaxing. I hope you guys had a great weekend and are preparing for tomorrow, Monday. All right, guys, go create something amazing. We will be looking at these soon. All right, catch you later. Bye.